Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about algebraic expression which we have discussed before. Like and unlike terms. When the term have the same literal factor, they are called the like terms. When the terms have different literal factors, they are called unlike terms. For example, in this expression 5ab minus 3ac plus 2abc minus 7c, the factors of 5ab are 5a and b are the factors of 2ab are 2a and b. Hence 5ab and 2ab are the like terms. However, the factors of 3 minus 3ac are minus 3a and c are the factors of 7c are minus 7 and c. Hence minus 3ac and minus 7c are unlike terms. Types of algebraic expression. Monomial. An algebraic expression consists of only one term is called an monomial. For example, 3xy, 7x by y, comma minus 8b minus 5x square y square z square and minus 9 are the monomials. Binomial. An algebraic expression consisting of two unlike terms is called a binomial. For example, 5x minus 3, 2x plus 3y, 8x y minus 3, x square minus y square and 4a plus 3b square by a are the binomials. Trinomial. An algebraic expression consists of three unlike terms is called a trinomial. For example, a plus 3b plus 5c, 2x cube plus y cube minus 3z square, 4x square plus 3 by 2xy minus 5y square, 6x square minus 7xy plus y square and 5a square minus 6ab by c plus b square by c are trinomials. Polynomial. An algebraic expression having two or more unlike terms is called a polynomial. For example, x square plus y square minus 3xy plus 7 is a polynomial having four terms, namely x square, y square minus 3xy and 7. Next one, addition of algebraic expression. To find the sum of the algebraic expressions, like terms are called collecting together and added. The sum of two or more like terms is a like term. Those numerical coefficient is equal to the sum of the numerical coefficient of all the like terms being added. For example, 5x plus 2x plus 3x minus x. Take x common. 5 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 equal to 9x. Subtraction of algebraic expression. The difference between two like terms is a like term. Those numerical coefficient is equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of two like terms. For example, 5x minus 9x is equal to 5 minus 9 into x, that equal to minus 4x. To subtract an algebraic expression from another group like terms and then subtraction.